is it. We are out of here. Just like last time, a couple of super yachts, a couple of freighters, beautiful city line, and we are so happy to see that behind us because it is time to go to the Galapagos. Yes, plastic only now from now on. Here's our little reminder. Everything else organic goes overboard.
Reminder or threat?
Threat.
As you see.
More like a threat. Take it as a threat, that's fine. Guys, this is it. We're headed towards the equator.
Because it's not hot enough. So you just hit...
You gotta use this camera more. So this is the first night sunset. Panama is over there somewhere still. Can't see it. Got a lot of wind, about 22 knots of wind from behind. So we are taking down our main for the night. We're going just gentle. Cranking along at about 7.5, 8 knots. So we get sunset. It's going down. Yeah, no green flash tonight. So now it's nighttime, day one. We're crossing through all the Panama Canal traffic. So we've got a whole bunch of ships, including this guy, right on top of us. Very, very pleasant conditions though for the night. We're just flying our spinnaker. Got a decent moon. So all in all, we can see pretty well. That I'm not lighting up the deck. That's from the moon. It's pretty incredible. Not much sleep for me. It is it's 2 in the morning. Okay, so what we got here, I'll turn our radar off. What we have here is we are leaving Panama. So all these ships are coming up to the canal. So I just need to get through this channel. But what we have right now is we have this ship behind us that I just showed you. We have 3 more that just went by. And then there's these 3 guys, 1, 2, 3, dead ahead of us. Looks like they're going to go by us though. It's pretty cool. Our AIS will tell us this ship right here, this is their track. And they'll be here when we're here. So we know right now, if everyone holds their course, we won't collide. So we just need to kind of keep an eye on these 3 guys in front of us. We have another guy coming behind him. So he'll be here when we're there. So we just need to zip across this canal, this channel, and then we'll be on our way. We can then kind of head back toward the Galapagos, which are here. So that, 2 in the morning on night 1, is what we're dealing with. Pretty neat tech though. No. All right, I just did the dumbest thing I've done in a long time. I was just flying the drone to get some spinnaker shots. I was flying it in right here. I went to go grab it. I had to let off the throttle to grab it, and I missed it. And it hit the stupid fishing pole, did a 360, and went right in the water. And I'm so mad, and so mad at myself. It was so stupid. Oh no! Piercy's crying for me. You're sad that we lost the drone? It's okay, little guy. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm glad you're so sad. It's okay. It's just a thing. It's not us or our health. It's okay. It's just a thing. I just watched the footage that was on the phone, and it looks like the sensor went off right as I went to grab it. So my hand must have set off the sensor. That caused it to stop. Oh, so mad. Oh no. As we just talked, the reality's just sunk in that, okay, we won't have it for the Galapagos. bad, but not terrible. Won't have it for the Marquesas. Oh my God.
What you got there?
We got a yellowfin tuna.
Good size?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh yeah, he's a good size.
Look at him.
Yeah.
It's okay, Pierce.
Okay, Pierce, go inside.
Yellowfin tuna.
Does it have a star on the chart?
This is a tasty little guy.
That. I got hit in the... Oh, baby, I will never eat my lunch.
So we are doing incredible. Aside from the drone, we've caught another fish today, so it's 2 fish this passage. We got a yellowfin tuna. It was amazing. A small guy, but it'll taste amazing tonight. And the cool thing is, right now, we have, let's see, it says we have 9 knots of true wind, 8.9, and we're going 5 knots over ground. And so by going wing on wing, it doesn't even feel like we're moving, but the boat is so efficient. We're actually just cruising along at 5 knots. And you can see the bubbles, it's real. Like, we are moving at a decent pace, which is crazy because the boat just seems super flat. So we're making good time, not using any diesel. I thought by now for sure we'd be motoring. So today we're day 3. We've pretty much sailed the whole way. Maybe we've motored for 2-3 hours. It's pretty good.
Where are we?
Where are they?
Oh, there they are.
Whoa!
They're bigger than me.
They're huge!
These are real dolphins. These are Pacific dolphins. Oh my God!
It's a big one.
See how big they are, guys? Oh,
Look how big!
They're bigger than me.
They are bigger than you.
oh wow! That is amazing. I just said
You
we
just said,
haven't seen any dolphins.
your mom just said we haven't seen any dolphins in like 5 seconds later. Not even exaggerating. You think you're clairvoyant though? That might be a little...
Okay, you watchers, you decide. I just said, I can't believe we haven't seen any dolphins yet. Right at the next moment, dolphins.
It was like 5 seconds later. Now what? I don't know.
It was like 5 seconds.
That was pretty amazing. Do you think your friends back in Mill Valley today, where it's raining, a raining March day in Mill Valley, do you think they woke up and saw dolphins swimming at their house?
No, but they saw snow.
No.
Yeah, I bet all of them run to Tahoe right now.
Yeah, maybe. But this is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Flying fish! Flying fish! I saw a flying fish, Mom! Did I see the first flying fish on this passage?
Yeah, I think so, actually. We haven't seen
I
many.
saw the first flying fish. Finally, I have finished my lunch! Yes, get a candy!
3 days in. 3 more to go. All right, so here we are. We're close. We've left Panama. We're on the 3rd day. We're down here. I just want to show you how crazy this is because we did this last time too. We're here. Unless you zoom in really closely, you see these islands. I've added this marker. But if you don't zoom in, I mean, this is not that far of a zoom. You won't see these islands. It is a massive island. You're just sailing along. We didn't zoom in last time. This time I knew to put these marks here so that at least we would see them, you know, on the chart as far as you zoom out. But so here's that island I was just talking about. I mean, come on, this is crazy. Look at that thing right there. That's a huge island, and you can barely see it on the charts.
Animals must live there.
That's dangerous. I'm sure there's animals there. Elizabeth wants to know if there's a restaurant. Do you think there's a restaurant?
Really?
Why not?
Does she really think there's a restaurant?
No, she wants there to be one. But we caught a yellowfin tuna, so we don't need one of those.
It looks like a
Where they drop the giants in the VFG.
like metal in there where...
Copy that, Red 5? Hey, no fair. I'm Red 5.
Bad guy ship, so X-Wings are firing at him, and Darth Vader's inside a good guy ship, so the TIE fighters are firing.
It's like, I'm with you. Passage. Lots of time on our hands. Reading books. Reading a really good book about Le Mans, race car drivers. Doing work for Elizabeth, and just keeping an eye on nothing. I'm just capturing what everyone's doing. You're doing yoga.
You should have captured it when I was doing something cooler than this.
Yeah, do something cool. Monkey. Maybe. All right, so we're a little over halfway for sure, but the story of the day is this. Oh my Lord, it's 95 degrees in our boat. Okay, so what did we just learn? What did we just learn is tonight?
The super worm moon.
What is a super worm moon?
Where there's a super moon, but there's also
A worm.
a worm.
No, the Indians called it a super worm moon because it was a super moon, meaning the moon is closest to the Earth all year, but it also happens to be on the day of the equinox. That is tonight. Super cool. And we just figured it out. Hale's gonna be how old?
18.
19.
19, yeah.
Hale's gonna be 19 when the next super worm moon happens again.
And I'll be 18.
And you'll be 18. So this is a big deal. Tonight's super worm moon on the equinox.
Can we see it?
As we're sailing over the equator. It's gonna be pretty cool. How about whoever sees it gets an extra candy, but then everyone gets one candy. And Dad gets 3 candies.
What?
No wind, 96.6 degrees.
Night vision.
We are just bored. Oh, whoa! Fish on.
Fish on.
He might have gotten off. He got off.
Can we name him?
So we have a stowaway bird somewhere. Where'd he go?
How can we call him Stowaway?
Stowaway.
How about Stewie?
Stowy.
Stew.
Stew.
Oh, there he is, Stew.
Where'd he go? He's a pretty, oh, there he is. Oh, he's super pretty, guys. He's,
Where is he?
oh, he's right there.
Where's Archie?
Look, he's right there. He's really tired. Let's not scare him. No, he's Stew.
Archie.
Oh, it's Reese, don't move.
No, he's Archie. He's Archie.
Look at him, guys.
Look at Archie. He's an Archie.
He's really pretty. Look at this red. He's got like a red face, a blue back, a white chest.
Wow, we're the best.
He is so tired and he's scared, guys. There is your super worm moon. Look at that, coming up, incredible. And we're continuing our Star Wars marathon. This is the Hoth one. And we got a little bird friend hanging out with us up here. Look at our little bird. What is his name? Archie. What a night. So it's the equinox, so we got the sun rising as the moon goes down. Full moon, so it makes it a very rare super worm moon, as we talked about. Pretty cool. There is nothing out here.